Aloha Ecamm fam, it's me Doc Rock here with a quick tip. If you're ever doing a stream, a multi-stream to multiple locations, and you find out you need a little bit more bandwidth, something's going goofy, or you just want to send everybody to one particular destination for some reason, like a behind the scenes or something, let me show you how to do that once you're already live. If you look here in the Ecamm window at the very top up there, there's an area here with the link, and normally it shows your view count. If you click on that, it will show you all your destinations. Right now, you'll see I'm going to my YouTube channel and the Ecamm live channel. If I click on the share sheet icon, that's the piece of paper with the arrow pointing out. You can click on that and you'll see I have the opportunity to end the stream. That's right here, just by pressing that, it will end a single stream, but not all of the rest of the stream. So let's go ahead and press that. And that ends the stream. It says stopping, now it says stopped, and you'll notice the status indicator changes to red. If you click on the share sheet again, you'll also see that you can go over to your YouTube studio or you can go over to your live control room. So if I hit the live control room, this is what that looks like in the background. In case you ever need a reason to jump over to your control room really quickly, that's also found right there. If you have any questions, comments, or feedback, drop them down in the comment section below. You can always reach out to us at supportdesk@ecamm.com. Once again, that is supportdesk@ecamm.com. Now, we're going to show you a couple more videos I think you should watch, and they're coming up next.